Welcome back, everyone. D-Man behind the camera. Glad to see everyone here. I've got a new project in the shop. Classic old case. Here is the model on this one. I believe it's on the secondary blade. Let's check it out. There it is. So the issue with this one, other than being dirty, a little bit of rust here and there, is the spring, the tension bar here. Now on the secondary blade, got a nice snap. Okay. Working pretty good, as it should. Right? This one here, look at it. See that? Nothing. See that? Look at that. It depressed. So stick with me. I'm going to show you guys how to repair something like this. Alright, just setting up over here. Now my first thing is you're going to have something rigid. I like banging stuff on a corner of a table. Okay, it's another piece of wood so I don't damage the corner of the table. I think I got it. It's always harder to do this type of thing when you're filming, so bear with me. I know I'm in the way. I just got to get this right, and then I'll show you. Ooh. Alright, I'm there. Now the problem is this piece of wood, and also this bolster. I wish I had a second person here. They would have just held this up like so, while I just get in here and bang away on that, right? But I'm short-handed right now, so it is what it is. Let me continue doing this until I'm comfortable to show you the next phase here. Oh, there goes that. Wow. Which involves a lot bigger blows. See, I'm doing nothing right now. Alright, you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to really hit it this time. Like that. That. One more. Okay. Alright, see, and I'm comfortable with that. So now it's raising that pin on the other side, and there's where I'm hitting. I did do a little damage on this corner here of the bolster, but it's okay because I can fix that. As long as it's not too deep, it'll be alright. Just gotta be careful with that. Keep that in mind. I'm just gonna go a little further down. And that's not good to drop it, but I will fix all this at the end because I plan on repairing it and refurbishing it, I guess. There we go. I think I can get the vice grips on that. Slowly getting there. There we go. Okay, let's see. I think I'll be able to get by. Let's see if I can do that. I got the blade out. Yeah, the hard part is to get that section out of there. Let me see something here. It's totally worn out. Look at this. See that little piece of metal? And you see the bottom? Yeah, that's how high it's supposed to be. This part. And look at it. Look at that. Lip. That's all worn out. So this can't even be fixed. Only way is to modify it. Oh, yeah, it's not going to come out that way. Let me figure this all out, and then I'll come back and probably going to make a decision on what to do. I might just make this a single-bladed knife. This blade here. It's a shame. See, let's look at this one. This one, see? There's no wear on that. That's why the lock, the tension is Good. See that? That knife's pretty much gone. Only way to save this is take out this other pin and make this into a single bladed knife, unfortunately. That's exactly what needs to happen. But the hardest part is to get rid of these pins without breaking the scales. This one's going to be a tough one. I'll tell you that, guys. This is a tough one. And the decision I have to make, who knows? Okay, let me figure this out and I'll get back to you. Now fun. Okay, so unfortunately, I cannot use this blade. It's going to just be too much work to modify it. I don't know. I actually have a better idea. What I'm going to do, actually it's not even a better idea because I don't like that idea of getting rid of that blade. But you know what? I'm going to take out that second spring there, which was for that blade, and I'm just going to make a single bladed knife. The only thing is that sucks. But you know what? There's no other choice. Unless I do a modification on this, I'd have to grind that off, make it nice and clean, and I think I would have to reposition the hole on the blade. But that means I would have to weld that and then create another hole. But this is already heat treated. I know I can heat treat this because this is just 1095 steel basically. High carbon steel. But I don't know, we'll think about it. I'm going to take it apart and then as I go along, maybe I can figure something out. I got to look at it, see if it's even possible to fix. Okay, so far I already got it going. Try to get this out of here. I need to move this over here. Oops, let me see. Move it over. There we go. There we go. It's going. Oh, it almost hit my hand. Okay, I don't know how I'm going to take that scale. The scale's not going to come out, I'll tell you that much. Because of this, these are hard to come out. And I don't want to ruin the scale. So I'm going to have to keep doing what I'm doing. Okay. Oops, no good. Go over here more. Okay, I think I got it. Alright, so now somehow I gotta get rid of this spring here. Oh boy, yeah, right. That's not gonna be too easy. There's this one here, watch, I'll show you. This one here, and oh yeah. Not gonna be able to do that without getting this middle. Yeah, that middle one's gonna come out, unfortunately. So I have to figure this out. Alright, now it's time to hit it, and hopefully we don't crack anything, break anything, or F it up. Put it that way. Put you back on this corner here. Okay. Sorry, man. Sorry about the crazy shakiness. Just doing this on the fly. Okay. Here we go. Moment of truth. This is it. I can break this in 1 second. Oh yeah, I got lucky. I got lucky. This one wasn't too bad. I've had some that, man, they were torture. So that's good. I didn't want to break that. So now I'm going to pull on this and then take out that section. Oh, there we go. Okay, got that out, got that out, got that out, got that out. Alright, so that's good. Here we go. She's completely off except for the scales onto the liners, which I'm going to leave. I'm going to go ahead and go clean all this up. And then I'm going to place it back together and see what I'm going to do here. I believe that this blade here is totally gone. It's just worn out to the max. What was the other thing I want to check? Blade, that's it. Let me see. Oh my god. Yeah, this is soft, soft. That's horrible. How about the blade itself? Yeah, a little harder, you know? See, that sounds good. Look at this. Oh, that side's good. Where was it? Right here. Look at that. Soft. It's hard down here. Soft up there. Soft there. Soft there. There we have it. So, Case, they did a shitty batch back in the day. We have here steel that wasn't properly heat treated and tempered. Alright, I'm back. I finished polishing the blade. The insides, I also engraved mellow knives and AKA DMKusa. Also the other side, looking pretty good. That nickel's shining, huh? Popping. And you know what I'm going to do, right? I'm going to set these off to the side for another project, for somebody that needs it. And I'm just going to put this all back together. I'll just put some tape around it, and then I'll take it out once I get that in there. I just don't want this to come apart. It's a pain in the ass. Never did this before. Actually, if it works, that would be a good idea. Alright, that goes there. This one goes here. See if I can get this in here. Oh, thank God. Okay, now this one. Ooh, that's going to be hard. Oh, boy. Alright, gotta twist this. That's going to be tough. Not easy. And... oh, you know what? I gotta take the damn tape out now. Good thing I remember that, huh? That would have been a big problem. Not used to putting tape on this. Actually, I gotta keep that in mind. That came in handy. Okay, it's looking good. Now, just that middle. Alright, now the next thing I have to do is compress everything. That's how it's looking. I gotta fix this right in order to function right and look right. Or in that case, as good as that thing, useless. Yeah. That's a weird one. Come on.